Audio recording for this meeting has begun.
Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dave Wilmer, and today we're going to be looking at the Combine Files tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. And I'll be quite frank with you, it's very simple. It's exactly what it sounds like. We're just going to click into it, and immediately we're presented with the Add Files button. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so now that we have our files, let's combine them. And notice how quickly it combined the Meridian document because it was already a PDF, whereas the second file was a Word document. So it took a split second to convert that over. So yeah, now we have the Meridian Ink sample document, and that is the majority of this new document, which is just called Binder. But at the very end, we've tacked on our sample Microsoft Word form, which was a separate document until just now. Okay, so we can go right back into Combine File, and now that we have a file open, we can go to this drop-down and you can add our open files, add our open PDF files, and we can add even more stuff to this. So we have our add files, add open files. We can also add entire folders and subfolders, so any compatible file, anything that Acrobat can make into a PDF, it will add that in the folder that you choose and all of its subfolders. You can add a PDF from a scanner. You can add a web page. You can add whatever's in your clipboard. You can add emails, so you can click and drag emails over from Outlook and add them to a PDF. We can use these options over here, the thumbnail view or the list view, if we so prefer. I prefer the thumbnail view. Then we can go over to options, and we can choose our file size. So smaller sizes are more suitable for on-screen display, internet, email, stuff like that. Default file size, suitable for reliably viewing and printing, business documents. They retain the original file size and quality. And finally, the larger size is suitable for desktop printers and high-quality settings. And we have several other options over here. So, yet again, we could combine, and we have our new lengthened PDF with the form and the picture of the form tacked on at the very end. Oh. So, that's all there is to it, folks. That's all there is to it, really. Next time, we're going to be looking at the Organize Pages tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. My name is David Wilmer, and until then, take care, everybody.